What's up, everyone? It's Shahryar. Today, we're diving deep into cybersecurity, not just the basics, but the habits that real hackers use to level up. We're uncovering 10 insane habits that take your skills to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or already have some cybersecurity chops, these strategies can transform your game. We're talking about becoming a cybersecurity beast, always one step ahead, ready to think like a hacker and fortify your digital defenses. Buckle up. Let's dive in. Habit number 1, constantly staying updated. In the world of cybersecurity, information is your best defense, and the pace of change is relentless. Every day new threats emerge, and yesterday's knowledge can quickly become outdated. That's why making a habit of staying informed is absolutely essential for anyone who wants to stay secure. The cybersecurity landscape changes faster than my Twitter feed after a tech event. News about breaches, vulnerabilities, and new attack techniques can break at any moment, and it's easy to fall behind if you're not paying attention. Social media, especially platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn, are often the first places where experts share breaking news and insights. New vulnerabilities and exploits pop up every day, sometimes even multiple times a day. Security researchers and hackers are constantly discovering new ways to bypass defenses, and software vendors rush to patch these weaknesses. If you're not aware of these developments, you could be leaving yourself or your organization exposed. Think about it. Would you willingly use an outdated phone operating system knowing it's full of bugs and security holes? Of course not. The same logic applies to your cybersecurity knowledge. If you're relying on old information, you're putting yourself at risk. So make it a routine to subscribe to reputable security blogs, sign up for newsletters from trusted sources, and follow real security researchers and professionals on social media. These channels will keep you in the loop about the latest threats, trends, and best practices. Don't just skim the headlines. Dive deeper into articles, watch webinars, and participate in online discussions to truly understand what's happening. And don't skip those software updates. Patches are non-negotiable. Software vendors release updates for a reason, to fix vulnerabilities before attackers can exploit them. Make it a habit to install updates promptly, whether it's for your operating system, apps, or security tools. Remember, knowledge is power in cybersecurity. The more you know, the better equipped you are to recognize threats, respond quickly, and protect your digital life. Continuous learning is the key to staying one step ahead of cyber criminals. The more you know about the latest threats, the better you can defend yourself. Stay sharp, stay updated, and make learning a daily habit. Because in cybersecurity, standing still means falling behind. Habit 2, ethical hacking. In the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity, staying ahead of threats means constantly sharpening your skills. Ethical hacking isn't just a buzzword. It's a mindset and a discipline that you need to practice regularly if you want to truly understand how attackers think and operate. By making ethical hacking a habit, you're not only protecting yourself, but also contributing to a safer digital world for everyone. To beat hackers, you have to think like them, but ethically. This means putting yourself in the shoes of a potential attacker, analyzing systems for weaknesses, and understanding the tactics, techniques, and procedures that real-world hackers use. But unlike malicious hackers, your goal is to find and fix vulnerabilities before anyone else can exploit them. Platforms like Hack the Box or TryHackMe are your virtual training grounds. These online environments are designed to simulate real-world networks and systems, giving you a safe and legal space to practice your skills. You can attempt challenges that mimic actual cyber attacks, learn how to defend against them, and even compete with others to see how your skills stack up. These platforms let you test your skills in real-world scenarios, safely and legally. You'll encounter everything from basic password attacks to complex network intrusions, all within a controlled environment. This hands-on experience is invaluable because it bridges the gap between theory and practice. It's like solving puzzles, but the puzzles are digital systems. Each challenge you face is a new opportunity to learn how systems can be broken, and more importantly, how they can be secured. The satisfaction of cracking a tough problem is matched only by the knowledge that you're building real-world skills. You don't need to be a coding wizard to start. Many platforms offer beginner-friendly tutorials and step-by-step guides that walk you through the basics. Whether you're just starting out or looking to deepen your expertise, there's a place for you in the world of ethical hacking. Tons of resources exist for all skill levels. From online courses and interactive labs to community forums and mentorship programs, you'll find support and guidance at every step. The cybersecurity community is full of people eager to share knowledge and help you grow. Start small, learn the basics, and work your way up. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every error is a lesson that brings you closer to mastery. Set achievable goals, track your progress, and celebrate your milestones along the way. As you gain experience, you'll start to spot vulnerabilities before they become problems. You'll develop an instinct for recognizing weak points in systems, and you'll be able to recommend or implement fixes that make those systems stronger and more secure. Practicing regularly sharpens your instincts. Just like any other skill, the more you do it, the better you get. Consistency is key. Set aside time each week to practice, and you'll see your confidence and abilities grow. Remember, ethical hacking is about learning, not breaking the rules. Always respect the boundaries of the platforms you use, and never attempt to hack systems without explicit permission. Integrity and responsibility are at the heart of ethical hacking. The more you practice, the more prepared you'll be. Make it a habit, and you'll not only stay ahead of cyber threats, but also open doors to exciting opportunities in the cybersecurity field. Start today, and let your journey as an ethical hacker empower you and protect others. Let's be honest, creating strong passwords is tough, but it's essential. Weak or reused passwords are like leaving your front door wide open. Password managers generate and store complex passwords securely, so you only need to remember one. Think of it as a vault for your digital keys. Changing your password habits might be a pain, but it's worth it. The hassle of a breach is way worse than using a password manager. Make strong, unique passwords your new normal. Protect your accounts the smart way. Next up, social engineering awareness. Hackers are masters of manipulation, exploiting emotions to steal information. Phishing emails are getting more convincing every day. They might impersonate your bank, social media, or even family. The first defense is awareness. Be skeptical of unsolicited messages. Don't click suspicious links or download unknown attachments. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stay alert and question everything. Outsmart the manipulators. Nobody has time to manually check for threats 24/7. That's where automation comes in. Use tools and scripts to automate tasks like malware scans, network monitoring, and backups. This frees up your time and reduces human error. There are user-friendly tools for beginners, so don't be intimidated. Automating means you're less likely to miss something important. It's like having a digital security guard on duty. Work smarter, not harder. Multi-factor authentication, or MFA, is a must. Your password is the key. MFA adds a deadbolt and alarm. Even if hackers get your password, they can't get in without the second factor. It could be a code, fingerprint, or face scan. Yes, it's an extra step, but it's worth the peace of mind. Enable MFA everywhere you can. Documentation might sound boring, but it's crucial. Keep records of your security settings, software versions, and any suspicious activity. Detailed logs help you troubleshoot and investigate incidents. It's like having a security camera for your digital life. If something goes wrong, you'll be glad you kept notes. Good documentation saves time and headaches. Make it a habit. Want to level up and maybe earn some cash? Try bug bounty programs. Companies pay ethical hackers to find vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. Platforms like HackerOne connect you with these opportunities. You don't need to be a pro. Many programs welcome beginners. The experience is invaluable, and you'll learn to think like a hacker. Plus, you might score some bragging rights and rewards. Give it a shot. Set up your own cybersecurity playground, a personal lab environment. Use virtualization software to create safe, isolated systems for testing. Experiment with tools, try new techniques, and learn by doing. Tons of online resources can guide you step by step. The hands-on experience is priceless. Build your skills in your own sandbox. The final habit, never stop learning. Cybersecurity is always evolving, and so should you. Read books, take courses, attend webinars, whatever keeps you sharp. Dive deep into areas that interest you, like penetration testing or malware analysis. Becoming an expert opens new doors and keeps you ahead. The journey never ends. There's always something new to master. Stay curious, keep exploring, and embrace the process. The best defenders are lifelong learners. Keep growing. There you have it. 10 powerful habits that can truly transform you into a cybersecurity beast. Whether you're just starting out or you've been online for years, these habits are your secret weapons for staying safe in the digital world. Cybersecurity isn't just for tech experts or IT professionals. It's something everyone can master with a little effort and the right mindset. By making these habits part of your daily routine, you're taking control of your digital life and protecting yourself from threats that are constantly evolving. These tips aren't just for the pros. Anyone, regardless of age or experience, can start today. Whether you're a student, a parent, a business owner, or just someone who loves browsing the web, you have the power to make a difference in your own security. It's never too late to start building good habits, and every step you take makes your online world a little bit safer. Even the smallest steps, like updating your passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, or being cautious with suspicious emails, can have a huge impact. Think of cybersecurity as a puzzle. Every piece you put in place strengthens your defenses. Don't underestimate the power of small, consistent actions. Remember, becoming a cybersecurity master is a journey, not a destination. There will always be new threats and challenges, but with each step you take, you become more prepared and resilient. Embrace the process, celebrate your progress, and don't get discouraged if you make mistakes along the way. Keep learning, adapting, and evolving. The digital landscape is always changing, so staying curious and open to new information is key. Read articles, watch videos, take online courses, and share what you learn with others. The more you know, the stronger your defenses will be. Now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite cybersecurity tips or tricks? Maybe you have a story about how a simple habit saved you from a scam or a hack. Share your experiences and advice in the comments below. Let's help each other stay safe online. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech goodness. Your support helps us create more content to keep you informed and protected in the digital age. Until next time, stay safe, stay smart, and keep your devices protected. Remember, your digital safety is in your hands. Make it a priority every day. If you'd like more tips, have questions, or want to see a deep dive on a specific topic, let me know in the comments. I'm here to help you level up your cybersecurity game.